we look like fools to them when we're trying to duck and dive. Don't do that. Get into the topic, talk to them. It doesn't have to be so deep and so often, but they just need to know my dad spoke to me about this, or mom spoke to me, depending on how you want to set it up in your own home, male to female or whatever. And for as long as they know, when they have an issue, you are the first go-to. Many parents, the children are so frightened of them, even in the modern world, even in the Western countries, that when they have an issue, the parent is the last person they would go to. They tell us, please don't mention this. I want anonymity. I don't want you. I can speak to your parent, I would say. They would say, no, please don't do that. You'd break me. You'd do this. My father's going to kill me, whatever they say. So I wonder that, Allah's going to ask you, كُلُّكُمْ رَاعٍ كُلُّكُمْ مَسْئُولٌ عَنْ رَعِيَّتِهِ. You're all shepherds, you're all responsible for your flock. Here's your flock running away from you, scared of you, frightened of you. How could you do that? When you have, that example is so perfect about the flock, that if there are sheep, one sheep is going away, you should be having sleepless nights, but bring it in, feed them, be with them, no matter what.